And this is US Highway 199, north and south. I'm going to cross. Ah! This is where home is tonight. The Jedidiah Smith Campground. Jedidiah Smith Redwoods State Park. Campground full. Good thing I made a reservation. And I will be able to stay here tonight. Okay, folks, Hike San Diego County with you here. It's Chris. Hey. But I am not in San Diego County. I'm in Del Norte County in the Jedidiah State Park, the Redwoods State Park. And you can see some of these are absolute monsters. Look at that one right there. That's got to be 20 feet in diameter. And look how tall it is. It's like the size of a skyscraper. A bunch of these are. This is the Stout Grove, aptly named. Look at the size of this sucker. Well, that one's forked, but it's still humongous. Look how high up they go. Well, I'm going to keep going through. There's actually a sign coming up. I'll treat you to this in this segment. But wow, look at this. The Stout Grove Loop. Should probably do that, huh? I don't know how to pronounce that. Weechee Trail, maybe? Look at these. Amazing. Look how high up they go. Alright, that's it for now. I'm going to take the Stout Grove Loop. Okay, folks. Chris, Hike San Diego County with you here again. Take a look at this. You can see some of those coast redwoods from the Stout Grove there. See how absolutely toweringly, is that a word? Toweringly spectacular they are. But anyway, this is so beautiful. There's a lot of, over this side, there's a lot of Douglas fir right there, really big ones too. There's a little footbridge. And you have the wonderful sound of the creek feeding the Smith River here. I guess this is, I don't know if it's the only, I think it's the only free-flowing river in Northern California or something like that, where there's no dams or anything. It's really nice here. Alright, that's it for now. Later. Alright folks, we've got some sad news. Mill Creek Trail closed. We're working hard to restore the damaged Grove of Titans. Please respect this closure so the project finishes safely and quickly. And of course I will, because, oh, you know what, look at this. This one right here. It's not the biggest one I've seen, but look how high up it goes. Man, these are amazing. You can get an idea of the immense size of these trees. But I guess that's going to cut it short, because I wanted to go do a video of the Grove of Titans. I guess I could just go this way for a little while. I don't know how far this goes in. Just go right through here. Get a little bit more footage of this beauty. I don't know how much more I can hike though, because That's the way I was going to go. I don't know how far the rest of this is, but it seemed like that was the longest trail according to the map. But wherever I can get to around here, it's just going to be amazing. Look at this. Oh, that river is so nice. I'd like to be able to kayak down that. Whoa. Look at that. Stunning. It takes skyscrapers out here in the woods. You'll never see anything like this anywhere else in the world, and I can truly say that because these are the tallest trees in the world. And I know I'll see this later on video, even if it's on a bigger screen, and it doesn't know justice. And you can never really tell what it's actually like till you come in here, but I think I'll just leave you with that. These amazing trees. These giants. Alright. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Like San Diego in Del Norte County, California. Out. Later.